Hey there, Titans. In this video, we will view the attach to option in the FD generate document package for Salesforce. So this is our FormTitan package for Salesforce, and we have already mapped some forms into our object, the opportunity object. So what we're going to do is just click on the actions and take a look at the attach to record option. So you could do either as an attachment or as a file. File will create a content version, which is great for the Lightning platform, and attachment will work better with the classic platform. So we're just going to do a Word as file, and it doesn't matter if you have your form set up with a push or not. It will generate the document and push it into your object. So if we're going to head to our push settings logs, we can see that the job is started. We're going to refresh our form here, and we'll refresh our page, and we should see our Word document here. If I'm going to click it, waiting for the preview to be ready. Okay, so let's just download this. Not sure if Lightning can preview Word files. So just download it straight from Salesforce. I'm going to click on my mapping, and there it is.